Hi there, I'm Justice with HomCo Lumber and Hardware. I work with the Building Materials Department, and today we're going to be talking about pressure-treated lumber and why it's so useful for Flagstaff's unique climate. All right, so first of all, let's talk about what exactly pressure-treated lumber is. So you can see here I've got a couple different types. We've got this green treated right here and this brown treated. Both of these have been infused with preservatives to help it last against weather conditions, pests, moisture, anything like that. So a question you may wonder about is pressure treated lumber helpful for us right here in Flagstaff? And the answer is yes. Untreated lumber breaks down more easily, moisture can affect it a lot more, so pressure-treated lumber for the snowy and rainy seasons is super helpful. So as far as projects go for pressure-treated lumber, there's quite a few options that you could do. For larger projects, you could use it for fences, for decks, sheds, anything larger like that that's going to be outdoor use. So there's a couple different kinds. There's above ground and ground contact. And the way that you can tell is usually there will be a tag or a stamp on the actual wood telling you which type it is and what it's for. So obviously above ground is going to be for drier conditions off the ground. And then ground contact will be anything contacting the ground or in direct contact with moisture. So HomCo has so many products that you can use to enhance your pressure-treated lumber. For example, we have this copper coat right here. It's great for increasing the longevity of your pressure-treated lumber. For example, how some people use it is you can apply it to the ends of your lumber if it's been cut, and that will help seal it. And also if you have untreated lumber that you would like to treat yourself, this is a great option for you. You can apply it yourself. If you're looking to use your pressure-treated lumber for structural purposes, HomCo has so many options for fasteners that can be used exterior. So for example, we've got these stainless steel deck screws that could be used outdoors. Got some joist hanger nails right here, some other options. Just these common nails, they're galvanized, so they're going to last through different weather conditions. Also some more deck screws from this brand Profit. And it's important to make sure that whatever fasteners you choose are going to be ACQ compatible. That way they don't corrode. If you're looking to make your treated lumber a little more aesthetically pleasing, you could try one of our many paints and primers. For example, we've got this Valspar paint right here, and it's excellent for exterior use. We also have this primer, which is so important. Make sure you prime it before you start painting. Kills 2 is always an excellent option for all around purposes, but especially exterior use. After time, this will fade into a more grayish color like any other lumber would. So if you're interested in adding a stain to it, which will also act as a sealer, we have a couple of options. This is one of our highest quality right here, the Penafin, super great quality. And then this is a little bit more of an affordable option on the end, the Ready Seal. They come in a variety of colors. We have a couple of different cedar colors right here on display right now, but you can come on in and see our many options for that. So here at HomCo, we also have a lot of options for applicators for applying your paint or stain. For example, we have this helpful kit right here, decks and fences. It's from Valspar. Includes the paintbrush, roller, and the whole pan, which is very helpful. You just get it all in one go. And so we also have this medium stiff brush. It's polyester nylon combination, which is great because you'll want to use a synthetic brush on your treated lumber. So another important thing to note is that if you are going to apply any of these products on your lumber, make sure your lumber is completely dry. One way that you can test to see if it's completely dry is you can put a bead of water on it. If it soaks in, it's dry, it's ready to go. If the water beads up, it means that your lumber is still too wet to apply these. A lot of these manufacturers suggest that you let it dry for at least a few weeks before using the products. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from HomCo. And as always, we are happy to help you find whatever products you need. Come on in to building materials or paint or any other section of our store, and we'll try and find you what you need.